Once your home is connected to the natural gas network, it's time to install your new equipment, and this work is done in just 4 steps. An Énergir authorized partner will come to your home to take the necessary precautions to protect your home before dismantling your old equipment to make room for the new. The authorized partner will install all your new equipment, in this case a central heating system, water heater and stove. This step involves running the pipes through your home, adjusting the ventilation ducts, programming your new thermostat, and if necessary, creating new air vents. Once the equipment is hooked up, the authorized partner will check the quality of the work by doing a leak test on the piping installation. An Énergir technician will then come to confirm that everything has been installed safely. The technician begins with a visual inspection to ensure the work is compliant, turns on the meter to supply your home with natural gas, and then performs one last battery of tests, after which the equipment will be ready to be switched on. The authorized partner will turn on your equipment and ensure that everything is working properly before explaining how to get the most from your new system. You're now ready to benefit from natural gas.